Los Angeles is a made of California. With a 2020 population of 3,898,747, it is the largest city in the state, as well as the second largest city in the United States following New York City. Los Angeles is known for its Mediterranean climate, ethnic and cultural diversity, Hollywood film industry, and sprawling metropolitan area. The city of Los Angeles lies in a basin in Southern California. Adjacent to the Pacific Ocean extending through the Santa Monica Mountains and into the San Fernando Valley, it covers about 469 square miles. It is the seat of Los Angeles County, which is the most populous county in the United States with an estimated 9.86 million residents in 2022. Home to the Chumash and Tongva indigenous peoples, the area that became Los Angeles was claimed by Juan Rodríguez Cabrillo for Spain in 1542. The city was founded on September 4, 1781, under Spanish governor Felipe de Neve, on the village of Yanga. It became a part of Mexico in 1821 following the Mexican War of Independence. In 1848, at the end of the Mexican-American War, Los Angeles and the rest of California were purchased as part of the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, and thus became part of the United States. Los Angeles was incorporated as a municipality on April 4, 1850, 5 months before California achieved statehood. The discovery of oil in the 1890s brought rapid growth to the city. The city was further expanded with the completion of the Los Angeles Aqueduct in 1913, which delivers water from Eastern California. Los Angeles has a diverse economy, and hosts businesses in a broad range of professional and cultural fields. It also has the busiest container port in the Americas. In 2018, the Los Angeles metropolitan area had a gross metropolitan product of over $1.0 trillion, making it the city with the third largest GDP in the world, after Tokyo and New York City. Los Angeles hosted the 1932 and 1984 Summer Olympics and will host the 2028 Summer Olympics. More recently, statewide droughts in California have further strained both the city's and Los Angeles County's water security. The Los Angeles coastal area was settled by the Tongva and Chumash tribes. Los Angeles would eventually be founded on the village of Yanga, meaning Poison Oak Place. Maritime explorer Juan Rodríguez Cabrillo claimed the area of Southern California for the Spanish Empire in 1542 while on an official military exploring expedition moving north along the Pacific coast from earlier colonizing bases of New Spain in Central and South America. Gaspar de Portola and Franciscan missionary Juan Crespi reached the present site of Los Angeles on August 2, 1769. In 1771, Franciscan friar Junipero Serra directed the building of the Mission San Gabriel Archangel, the first mission in the area. On September 4, a group of 44 settlers known as Los Pobladores founded the pueblo they called El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de los Ángeles, the town of Our Lady the Queen of the Angels. The original name of the settlement is disputed. The Guinness Book of World Records rendered it as El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de los Ángeles de Porciuncula. Other sources have shortened or alternate versions of the longer name. The present-day city has the largest Roman Catholic archdiocese in the United States. 2/3 of the Mexican or New Spain settlers were mestizo or mulatto, a mixture of African, indigenous and European ancestry. The settlement remained a small ranch town for decades, but by 1820, the population had increased to about 650 residents. Today, the pueblo is commemorated in the historic district of Los Angeles Pueblo Plaza and Olvera Street, the oldest part of Los Angeles.